Hey lipstick lovers, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification button if you want to see more of me. And if you don't, then don't. But you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey! Okay guys, so I'm back with another lipstick review. So I went to this like pop-up shop, little holiday soiree thing, and they had a little lipstick booth, so you know your girl had to go over there and see what they had, okay? And so when I went over there, I was like, hey y'all, I came across this here. Fire, guys. This is fire. It's called Fire and Ice, and it looks spectacular. Okay, it's a matte lipstick. Y'all know I love my mattes. But anyway, I'm not gonna talk too much. Let me show y'all what this look like. Let me show y'all what it look like on the lip. Okay, goes on liquidy. Y'all know I love my blues and my purples, but this one here, easy with the spread. Okay, line it up. Line it the fuck up, okay? You don't really need too much of it, but y'all know how I am. I got to line it up. I got to make sure it's looking right, okay? Turn up. What? Oh, me? You think my list is cute? It's gonna get all matty and cute for your girl, okay? Love it. I actually wore this when I was all, you know, dolled up. So if you want to see what it looked like when I had it popping with my makeup on, you know, dressed looking flawless, honey, go head over to my Instagram, which is right here at the bottom of the screen. And also I have the girl's page if you want to get this tagged. So go look at the pictures, go to her page, check out her lipsticks. Fire and Ice is a yes for me, fam. I can't wait to try some of her other lipsticks because I see she got some fire little colors. So go ahead over there to my Instagram, then head to her Instagram, okay? The company is called Kissed. I'm trying to show y'all the label, but you can barely see it, honestly. So that's what I'm saying. Go to my Instagram, you'll have everything you need there, okay? Anywho, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you know what to do. And if you know what to do, then I fucks with you, okay? Go ahead and follow my vlog channel, which is in the description box. Actually, you can get to my Instagram by the link in my description box as well. Let's just make it easy. So you don't gotta go type it in and all that, girl. So go to that description box, click the link to my Instagram, okay? Okay. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys. So until next time, deuces, lipstick lovers.
She's a
bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck. Oh my god, that's my baby. Caroline, you divine, mighty fine. Shorty really know the price, like a pro.
Fuck you, thought.
Holy shit, I'm really lit.